Welcome to a second tutorial to a beginner's guide on how to Enscape. In today's video, we will cover controls and navigation. But to just summarize what we did last time, we tackled in the last video that any changes done in Revit will automatically update or link into Enscape, not unless we click a certain button, which we will go into further in the next video. So for now, like the removal of a roof or a material, it will display real time within Enscape. And with that, let's go ahead and do controls and navigation. If you remember, every time you open Revit, this image, or rather this pop-up, will showing the controls of Enscape, as well as this one right here at the bottom. For now, let's do movement. So, pressing WASD like so allows you to move just like in any FPS or shooting games. With that said, if you have any experience with those, this should be easy for you. Next, Q and E allows you to hover up and down as well, but this is only possible if you're in fly mode. If I were to walk by pressing space like so, Q and E will only do nothing for me. Not unless if I were to press space again, Q and E now works. Okay, next, here in fly mode, if I were to press shift, it will increase my movement speed like so. Also, pressing CTRL or control button will make it even faster. So this allows you to play around with the tempo of your movement to whichever that you want. Holding the left mouse button changes your perspective, allows you to look around. At first, this may seem difficult and nauseating, but in time you'll get used to it. To make things easier, you can move while moving like this, so it won't be that much of a headache for you, like so. But of course, just try to move it slowly so that you won't get dizzy at the first try. Next, like I said earlier, pressing spacebar changes your mode of movement to either flying or walking. Now, in walk mode, you won't be able to pass through objects like so, but in flying, by pressing space again, you're able to pass through objects. Again, in walk, I'm unable to pass through. But movement speed still increases by pressing shift or the control button. Now, if I were to double click to any object, let's say that stock dot for example, it allows you to shift focus or immediately zoom in on a certain part. Alright. And lastly, pressing shift plus the right mouse button allows you to play around with the daytime. As seen in the lower right corner of the window, you will notice a 24-hour time format for us that shows the kind, or rather, the type of day that we are currently. So, from morning, going into afternoon, and into the evening. Fascinating, isn't it? Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. For questions and suggestions, please do comment below. And if you enjoyed or find this tutorial helpful, you can support me by liking and subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys.